Here's some Renaissance banking trivia. Subscribe. Which currency was widely used in Renaissance Italy? Is it A, yen, peso, C, pound, or D, florin? The correct answer is D, florin. What organization regulated banking practices? Is it A, Bank of England, B, Federal Reserve, C, Bank of Venice, or D, European Central Bank? The correct answer is C, Bank of Venice. Who was the founder of the Medici Bank? Is it A, Francesco Vassallo, B, Cosimo de' Medici, C, Lorenzo Medici, or D, Giovanni de' Medici? The correct answer is B, Cosimo de' Medici. Which art technique connected banking and commerce? Is it A, Fauvism, B, Surrealism, C, Cubism, or D, Perspective? The correct answer is D, Perspective. Who was known as the banker to the Pope? Is it A, Julius II, B, Cardinal Farnese, C, Medici, or D, Agostino Chigi? The correct answer is D, Agostino Chigi. Which Renaissance city became a trading hub? Is it A, Bologna, B, Rome, C, Naples, or D, Florence? The correct answer is D, Florence. Which famous explorer received funding from bankers? Is it A, Christopher Columbus, B, Ferdinand Magellan, C, Marco Polo, or D, Vasco da Gama? The correct answer is A, Christopher Columbus. What scandal involved the Medici and debts? Is it A, Spanish Inquisition, B, Duke of Florence, C, Florence Cathedral, or D, Pazzi conspiracy? The correct answer is D, Pazzi conspiracy. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.